Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again I'm reacting to the southern snack in this video, Dairy Queen Double Fudge Cookie Dough Blizzard and Oreo Cheesecake Blizzard review, Throwback Menu. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded this past Sunday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Yeah! Welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Alright, a chapter in my life is coming to an end here very soon. Yeah, these blizzards are melting. It's nice and warm outside, but
oh my.
Yeah, let me show the Superman logo. Yeah. So what do you mean a chapter in your life is coming to an end? Well, this vintage Dairy Queen, vintage-esque Dairy Queen, and the Carolina Mall here just north of Charlotte in Concord, North Carolina. It's been a pleasure, and no, I'm hoping it's not closing anytime soon. That's not the reason why this era is coming to an end. It's just we've finally almost maxed out on all the throwback blizzards that are no longer available on today's menu, on the current day's menu.
Okay.
So, this is the second to last. We will do one more. We'll do the strawberry cheesecake, and even though we've tried, we'll do the cherry choco one that they have, and then we'll be done. And I'll have a cute little commemorative TikTok, just showing off that menu and showing off the blizzards. So yeah, cool. We are gonna start with double fudge cookie dough.
Okay.
It looks like it's chocolate, cookie dough, and chocolate chunks. So let's go. That's delicious.
I bet it is delicious.
Blizzards are phenomenal.
I bet it is delicious, and wow.
As long as it's got chocolate chip cookie dough, not the sugar cookie dough. Sugar cookie dough is always decent.
I bet, and wow.
But this one is different.
I bet.
Just imagine you cross over the extreme chocolate blizzard.
Yeah.
A cookie dough.
Right.
And of course, you don't have brownies in here.
Okay.
But you don't need them.
Okay.
This one is delicious.
I bet it is delicious.
And top notch.
I bet.
Easy. Easy 10.
10, wow.
Don't even question yourself. Give that a chance. Tell them you want that extreme choco blizzard, but replace brownie with cookie dough.
Right.
See if they'll do it, because it's worth it.
I bet.
got the chocolate cheesecake, which looks like it's going to be cheesecake. Oh, it's Oreo cheesecake. I'm sorry.
Oreo, okay.
Yeah, but anyways, I call it a chocolate cheesecake. It's Oreo cheesecake.
Oh mine, okay.
So Oreo pieces, cheesecake pieces. I don't think there's chocolate chunks, but
right.
Already off to a great start with it having Oreos in it.
Okay, and wow. And right. And wow.
And then those delicious, soft chunks of cheesecake as well.
Right. Right.
That's an indulgent mix.
I bet it is, and wow.
Oreo.
Right.
This one's delicious.
I bet it is delicious, and wow.
I think I could use more Oreo, a little less cheesecake.
Right. Right, and oh my, and wow.
I'm gonna give that an 8.5. So yeah.
8.5. Wow.
One more time. We'll have one more cheesecake, and then another a cherry blizzard as well. So stay tuned for that in the eventual future, because it'll take me time. But again, it's been a pleasure. Really have enjoyed this, and we'll see you one more time, Carolina Mo. One more time.
That was an awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to the Southern Snacks channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 11,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well also, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 11,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well also, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And the link to the Southern Snacks original video will be down in the description down below, just to let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!